Hey, what's happening, Sneakerhead? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get started, go ahead and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come on, help us out.
So in today's video, we're doing the Jordan recaps and updates. So go ahead and start it off, my brother.
Hey, so with the recaps, we had the Jordan 12s that came out on the 13th. They did not sell out. I say that again. They did not sell out. Right now, they do have sizes 10 and below available at Nike.com. And these are women pair of shoes. So once again, they did not sell out. Sizes 10 and below are available on Nike.com.
All right, moving on. We have the Jordan 6 Crafts. They did not release on the sneaker app or on Nike.com. Right now, that they have been pushed back. Stay tuned for more details. There's no confirmed date at this time, although one J23 app is showing them sometime in August. But once we confirm the date, we'll let y'all know and keep y'all updated.
So we had the Jordan 7s, the Chabray. Hey, they came out. Hey, they did not sell out. Once again, they came out and they did not sell out. Hey, all sizes, once again, all sizes are available on Nike.com. Hey, go ahead, true sneakerheads, go ahead and snatch them up because they have the sizes if you need them.
So what I recommend is you do want these shoes, go ahead and put in a bid on StockX. They are performing under retail value. So you may be able to pick them up on eBay or go for under retail. So go on and snatch them up, sneakerheads. So that concludes our recaps. Now we're moving on to the rumors and updates. Are there any rumors out there?
Hey, hey, our boy is back.
What boy?
Oh, man, Special K. Special K. Hey, he's back. Hey,
Yes, sir.
hey, it may be a rumor and it may be an update, but they talking about in August. Hey,
Yes, sir.
he's coming through. My man.
Set to release 19 pairs of Yeezy footwear. These include Yeezy slides, Yeezy foam runners. They are expected to drop in a staggered stage, so stay tuned. Once we'll have full dates on those, we'll give y'all the updates, sneakerheads. So moving on, we do have official releases of the Nike Mac Attack Red Crush. Now this is the third color set to release. Now remember, they already had the black and gray pair come out, and Social Status did kind of like a gray and tearaway swoosh that you can cut out, and once you cut that swoosh out, the color does turn pink. So these are dubbed the Red Crush. These are set to release on July 21st, which is this Friday, with a retail price of $120. So unlike the other pairs that had already released, the black and blue checker pattern on the tongue, the Red Crush introduces a new tan and white checker pattern on the tongue. The remaining of the two builds remains consistent with the true OG build, complete with printed numbers and letters on the interior sock liner. So if you haven't seen this pair, this is basically a white and red pair. Let me know, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? Comment below. So that concludes our updates for today. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video, and stay tuned. We'll keep you updated as usual.
Hey, so if you like content like this, hey, check out this video right here.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
Peace.
Peace.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.